I'm going to be doing like a no makeup kind of look, I think. So I'm going to start off with a moisturiser. I feel like the key to like a no makeup look is like looking nice and dewy and moisturised. I talk about this as if like I know what I'm saying. I literally don't. I bought new skincare products, right? And one of them was like hyaluronic acid or something like that. And I feel like it's burnt my eyelids a bit. It's so funny though because I thought it was hyaluronic acid, which is obviously like really bad. And I was going around telling everyone that I put hyaluronic acid on my eyelids. It probably wasn't the best thing to tell people. I'm now going in with concealer. I don't really have many like spots and stuff right now, so I'm just gonna kind of be putting it underneath my eyes because they are literally like blue. I'm also gonna be putting this on my eyelids a wee bit, just so it will act like an eyeshadow primer, which is what I always do. Next I'm going to go in with this cream contour stick from Collection. I just kind of want to make this look really natural and as if I just have like really defined cheeks naturally, which I don't. To make this, oh wait, where is it? To make this a bit easier to blend out, because I find that really hard to blend, I'm going to be using my Mayo Badescu rose water spray, which is like almost done. I think I just completely missed my face. Then I'm just going back in with my beauty blender and blending that all out. Next I'm going to be taking powder, but I'm not going to put this all over my face. I'm only going to put it under my eyes and on my eyelids so that the concealer doesn't smudge. I always watch makeup tutorials and stuff and people don't use powder like at all, and I don't understand how people can do that. I'm now going to do my eyebrows. I think I might just brush them out and then put a gel over it. I did bring out this goof proof brow pencil from Benefit to use, but I feel like they don't really need much done to them today. I'm going to maybe just go in a tiny bit at the front. If any of you are curious, I said in a video, I can't remember which one it was, that I had applied, or I was going to apply for uni. And I did, and I got into all the courses I applied for. I'm not trying to brag. However, I didn't think that was going to happen, so now I actually don't know which course to do. So I'm kind of struggling. Now I'm going in with just a clear eyebrow gel and just going over my eyebrows so they stay in place. I feel like makeup tutorials that I film always just turn out so much worse. Like the makeup in person doesn't look that bad, but then always on camera looks awful. So now I'm just gonna go on to eyeshadow. Basically I'm not really gonna do much because obviously this is like a no makeup look. So I'm gonna take my Naked Heat palette and go in with a mix between Chaser and Sauced, those two. I'm just gonna take that on like a big fluffy brush and just put it all over my eyelids. I hope this is gonna turn out well. Also, as I'm sure a lot of you know, I started to do Vlogmas and I got through like the first 2 weeks, but it got to the last week and I was just like, I'm not doing anything, this is so boring, and I just really wasn't feeling it anymore, so I didn't finish it. Don't know if any of you were that concerned or missing it, but I just thought I'd let you know just in case someone out there was like, oh my god, I really wanted to see week 3. So I've just blended all of that out. Hopefully it looks kind of natural, and then I'm just taking like a small brush and putting the same colours underneath my eye. Now what I'm going to do is take this brown eyeliner and line my eyelid, I think. I'm not going to do like a proper wing or anything, I'm just going to put it out a tiny bit just because personally I prefer when my eyes are a bit darker. Like I know this is a no makeup look, so I probably shouldn't be doing this. I thought I'd just add a wee bit for my own sake. Now I'm going to take this brush, I don't really know what you'd call it, and I'm just going to blend this so it's less noticeable. Okay, that's all blended out now. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put on any mascara, I don't think, even though like I prefer my eyes so much more when I've got mascara on. I feel like that's just going to take away the whole no makeup look. So I'm just going to curl them a bit. Curl. I feel like that's a really hard word to say. Now I'm going back to the rest of my face and I'm going to use my Benefit High Beam. And I'm just going to put it on the tip of my nose and then on my cheekbones. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out as well because I feel like that looks better. So I just put on some lip balm for the finishing touch, and this is the whole makeup. I'm pretty sure you can kind of tell that I'm wearing makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was kind of boring. I just kind of wanted to take you through like the products and stuff and exactly what I was doing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed anyway, and I will see you in my next video.